Welcome back to English Learning. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please click on the subscribe button and bell icon to get all the latest updates. Also follow me on Instagram. My Insta ID is English Learning 1205. In this video, I have given examples of persuasive essay writing. Through these examples, you will get to know how to write these types of essays. Also, if you don't know the meaning of persuasive essays, then check out the full video in which I have explained the meaning of all the types of essays. Link is in the description box. The question is, write an essay on why you should communicate effectively. मतलब आपको परसुएसिव ऐसे लिखना है और आपका टॉपिक है कि आपको इफ़ेक्टिवली क्यों कम्युनिकेट करना चाहिए. सो लेट्स बिगिन. द टॉपिक इज़ व्हाई यू शुड कम्युनिकेट इफ़ेक्टिवली. Establishing and developing effective communication is important in order to be heard and change your environment according to your own thoughts. No one will guess what you want or what you think if you don't tell them, and nothing is going to change if you do not propose a change. The first aspect to communicate effectively is not to be afraid of speaking. Anytime you need to say something, go ahead and do it. Most of the times, people are afraid of speaking because they are not sure if it is the right thing to say or the right moment to say it. Be sure, say what you want to say, and do not regret it. If you speak, you will be heard and taken into account. You are important, so you need to be heard. There is one thing you should not do somehow. Do not say something that will hurt somebody's feelings unless that something has to be said inevitably. Say it, but as softly and gently as you can. Never hurt anyone intentionally. Always think twice before saying something. You choose what to say, just be sure to say the right thing at the right time. If you do that, you won't regret a thing. Second, if you want to communicate effectively, defend what you say. Once you have said something, you can never go backward. You must back it up. The worst thing that you can do when speaking is to hesitate. The strength of your words will surely determine their effect on the listener. The way that you speak and the content of your speech tell a lot about yourself and your personality. A conversation allows speakers and listeners to get to know each other better. The third main aspect of effective communication is to express exactly what you mean to say. Pick up the words that will express exactly what you are thinking of. Words are double edged weapons which can be used either to defend or to attack. If you make a good use of them, you will be able to do almost everything. Effective communication will help you to express yourself better, allow you to let other people express themselves, and help you to change your environment toward your own thoughts and beliefs. Words inspire no fear. Speak them. Words make you strong. Support them. Do not let yourself be misunderstood. Words are valuable. Listen to them. Next, the question is write an essay on why students should eat breakfast every day. आपको ऐसे लिखना है कि बच्चों को रोज़ ब्रेकफास्ट करना क्यों ज़रूरी है. The heading is why students should eat breakfast every day. A lot of people, especially young people, go through the day without having breakfast. Many people believe that it is not necessary, or they say that they don't have time for that and begin their day with no meal. The first reason why you should eat breakfast before going to school is for your health. When you skip breakfast and go to school, you are looking for a disease because it's not healthy to have an empty stomach all day long. It's very important to have a meal and not let your stomach work empty. All you are going to get is gastritis and a lot of problems with your health if you don't eat breakfast. Another reason for eating breakfast is because you need food for to do well in your classes. Your body and brain are not going to function as good as they could because you have no energy and no strength. When you try to learn something and have nothing in your stomach, you are going to have a lot of trouble succeeding. A lot of people think that they should not eat because they are going to feel tired, but that's not true. Breakfast is not a very big meal, and on the contrary, you are going to feel tired if you don't have breakfast because you have spent the entire previous night without food. The last reason to have breakfast every day is because you can avoid diseases if you eat some breakfast in the morning. If you don't eat, you are going to get sick, and these diseases will have a stronger effect on you because you are going to get sick easier than people who have breakfast every day. You have to realize that breakfast is the most important meal of the day and you cannot skip it without consequences for your health. It is better to wake up earlier and have a good breakfast that run to school without eating anything. It is time for you to do something for your health, and eating breakfast is the better way to start your day. So this was all about the solved examples of persuasive essay. I hope it is clear. I will give examples of some other type of essay in my next video. So till then, stay tuned and please subscribe to my channel, and also add me on Instagram. My Insta ID is English Learning 1205. Also, if you want to suggest some topics, then you can DM me on Instagram or email me. Each and every detail is given in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.